Hello, fellow homebrewers. My name is Evan, and today I'm super excited to present you a series on brewing Mark's coffees. In this series, we hope to offer you a stepping stone into home brewing culture and help you brew our coffee to its full potential. Let's get to the brewing. Hello, fellow homebrewers. Today we are going to be brewing Sandalkad, a 100% Robusta, roasted at a full city roasts with notes of Walnut, Brownie, Cacao, grown at Sandalkad in Madikeri, Coorg. We're going to be brewing it with an in-house pour over called the V55, designed to brew Robusta coffees. Since this brewer is more steep than the V60, we have a bit of a different way of brewing with it. First, we're going to change our grind size to something a little coarser, like 800 microns rough beach sand. We're going to have an input of 15 grams of coffee. We're going to add 270 milliliters of water at a temperature of 85 degrees that I'm going to set our kettle to right now. If you do not have a kettle, in this case, that you can control the temperature, you could boil water, take it off the boil and let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes to reach that temperature. In this recipe that we're going to be using today, we're going to just do 3 big pours and we're going to try to shorten the brewing time. Since Robusta has a bit of a bitterer note than Arabica, we want to try avoid getting that into the cup, A, by having a steeper wall, B, increasing the grind size, and C, having a wider ratio so that the coffee doesn't overpower, is not too overpowering. All right, let's start to grind. This dripper uses the Kalita paper filter and it slips in perfectly. All right, I'm going to pre-wash and preheat the decanter and the paper filter. And now, after that is done, I am going to add the coffee. I'm going to tear my scale and recount how many grams. I'm going to make 3 pours every 30 seconds, 1 pour of 90 milliliters. Remember to remove your preheated water, and we're going to start our brew. The first pour, 90 milliliters. In the first 30 seconds, the coffee is going to expand and have massive volume with all this water. And we wait 15 seconds till the next 30-second mark, or we pour our next 90 milliliters. Now that it's 30 seconds, I'm going to pour all the way up to 180 ml. You can really see how I can increase the flow on this. And if we lift up the dripper, we can see the flow is pretty consistent. Now I'll make sure to preheat my cups. And it's time again to make our last pour all the way up to 270 ml. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we could say the brew is complete. Very nice. I'm going to pour 1 cup for you. You can really see the redness in it. And again, like I say, that's very good. And we're going to smell. Definitely the note of chocolate comes through. This brownie note, chocolate brownie, is very clearly there. And I will just get in to have a little sip. Since the temperature was 85, it's not too hot, and temperature as it drops, the more complex the coffee gets and the acidity will rise. So for a Robusta, this pour over, the V55, really helps you extract acidity, balance, and obviously body. Again, 1 cup for you, 1 cup for me. Happy brewing, and may the coffee spirit be with you.